What if burning an orange could truly end your dry cough, colds, and throat infections? Today I'll show you a powerful, all-natural remedy. It clears airways, fights infections, stops dry coughs, and expels phlegm, a remedy our grandparents trusted. First, grab an orange, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Pierce it with a fork, then gently char it on the stove until completely black. This creates a potent essence that strengthens your immune system, fighting infections and shortening cold and flu duration. Once charred, cut off the top. Next, finely mince 2 garlic cloves. Garlic is a powerful natural antibiotic. Our final ingredient is pure organic honey, known for its expectorant, analgesic, and antimicrobial properties. With a spoon, press the orange pulp to extract juices, remove seeds, then add the garlic and honey. Mix thoroughly. Your potent syrup is ready to eliminate coughs, throat infections, phlegm, and respiratory discomfort. Take 1 teaspoon every 6 hours until symptoms subside. Try this incredible remedy. Tell me your experience in the comments and don't forget to like, save, and follow for more health secrets.